Welcome to MGR Foamtex. We are Europe's leading supplier of advanced aircraft cabin upholstery systems. Our customers include all of the major seat OEMs and the world's leading airlines. In order to satisfy our customers, we need to innovate continuously and develop new products. In order to do that, we need to work with the best people in the industry. So we're delighted to be building on our strategic relationship with Zotefoams. Zotefoams bring new and innovative products, and in particular the ZOTEK F range, including the semi-structural XR grade extra rigid foam. MGR SoftWall is a unique vertical soft wall panel to cocoon the passenger by giving softer, more comfortable and deadening sound. MGR SoftWall Next Gen is all about weight reduction, and it's the ZOTEK F extra rigid or XR grade of foam that allows us to do this. This semi-structural foam allows to have all the advantages of SoftWall but at 50% of the weight. We are now going to show you how we use the advanced Zotefoams materials to create our finished product. In this case, a bespoke backshell liner for a business class seat. MGR SoftWall Next Gen showcases the ZOTEK F range. The key element that gives us the weight reduction is the XR grade, the extra rigid semi-structural foam. This is what allows us to remove the traditional thermoplastic rigid structure and greatly reduce the weight. The decorative front layer is made from the ZOTEK F SR or semi-rigid grade, and this allows to give the decorative pattern, and then the front face fabric is the finishing touch, all which produces the finished MGR SoftWall Next Gen finished product.
Our design approach involves key milestones which we need to achieve to ensure that we supply a product for our customers that exceeds their demands. Once we have finalised the design and we've confirmed the look and feel of the product, the shape and how the product's going to work within the seat environment, we move on to the development phase. We start to look at what vac forming tools we need, any router programming requirements so that we can start to put a bit of meat on the bones in terms of the customer's design. We also assess what materials and cover materials we're going to use, and this often involves at least 2 elements from the ZOTEK F OSU range. So we also perform assembly trials where we bring each individual component together and see how they work on the production line. We use various adhesives and attachment methods just to see how all the parts interact and how it's actually going to work within the cabin environment. As part of the assembly trials, we perform trim trials where we assess how the cover material reacts with the other materials in the stacker. This identifies possible areas of concern and allows us to develop solutions. Due to the complexity of the products MGR offer, often a substrate is needed to create the required final shape. To do this, we vacuum form a flat sheet of ZOTEK F OSU XR. Conventionally, a thermoplastic has been used as a substrate, but with the development of ZOTEK F OSU XR, we are now able to offer an alternative. This alternative boasts comparable rigidity, but with a weight saving of around 50%. With the industry now heavily focused on weight and greener flight, this weight saving is very attractive to our customers. We work closely with seat OEMs to develop a 3D CAD representation of the end product. With where we are now in the industry in terms of seat development, each customer wants something new and unique to differentiate themselves from their competitors. Due to the prominence and visibility of MGR SoftWall on the seat, this often involves incorporating increasingly complex shapes and style features into our products. Once the design has been confirmed with the customer, the final concept can be developed and the product can be manufactured. To produce any feature patterns or style lines, we utilize CAM software to program our 3-axis CNC router. The cutting tool is programmed to follow the contours of the 3D CAD and cuts the style features into the ZOTEK F foam in preparation for trimming. Trimming is the process of covering the final assembly with the chosen cover material. It is the final stage in the production process. This critical step is where our skilled team hand finish parts to a consistently high level of quality. During this phase, any bespoke patterns, style lines or features come to life, and the use of bespoke production tools and aids help ensure repeatability in achieving a superior finished product.
And here we have MGR SoftWall Next Gen 50% lighter.